How to share Amazon Prime account membership with friends. To share your Amazon Prime membership with friends or family, Amazon offers a feature called Amazon Household, which allows you to share select Prime benefits with another adult, teens, or children. And here's how you can do it. First of all, you have to log in into Amazon.com. After that, once you're on your home page, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Here, scroll down and under your account tap on See All next to it. Now here scroll down and under account settings you will have this option as Manage Your Household. Tap on it. You will be taken into next page. Here scroll down and then tap on Add Adult. Now you have to choose a country first. Then tap on Set Country. After that, scroll down a bit and then you have to enter the email address of the person that you want to share your membership with and you have to set their name. Once that, tap on Continue and then they will receive an invitation to join your household. The recipient needs to accept the invitation using your Amazon account. Once accepted, you will share your Prime benefits including free shipping, Prime Video and more. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.